How are you, my children? I wish you will be always happy and always cheerful and always get happy in your life. Today, I am going to teach you the related to the chemical reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, and also redox reaction. The class 10, chapter 1, chemical reaction. What do you mean by oxidation? What do you mean by reduction reaction? And what is called a redox reaction? Explain each of the reaction with one example or two examples. First of all, on the basis of the combination of oxygen and combination of hydrogen, we can define oxidation and reduction reaction. But we know that oxygen is a negatively radical and hydrogen is positively. Therefore, we can also convert, we can also write, we can also speak or define oxidation and reduction on the basis of oxygen, hydrogen, negative radical and positive radical. First of all, I can give you some examples of the oxidation reaction. The reaction, the combination of oxygen or removal of hydrogen or combination of negative radicals and removal of positive radical together known as oxidation reaction. It means during the case of the oxidation reaction either combines with oxygen or combines with negative radicals or removal of hydrogen or removal of positive radical known as oxidation reaction, such as carbon combines with oxygen form carbon dioxide. It means oxygen combines with carbon and form carbon dioxide, so it is a good example of oxidation reaction. But Na plus Cl2 and 2Na plus Cl2 is equal to 2NaCl. It means here combination of chlorine with sodium. It is chlorine is a negative radical. It means the combination of negative radical. So it is also an example of oxidation reaction. Other hands, reversely, we can also define reduction reaction, the combination of hydrogen or positive radicals or removal of negative radicals or removal of oxygen together known as reduction reaction. H2 plus O2, H2O. So here oxygen combines with hydrogen. So you can say if oxygen combines with hydrogen, then we can say it is also oxidation reaction. But oxygen combines with hydrogen combines with oxygen, it is also reduction reaction. It means combination of oxygen or negative radical or removal of hydrogen or positive radical known as oxidation reaction. And other hands, combination of hydrogen or combination of positive radicals, removal of oxygen or removal of positive radical known as redox reaction. Reaction. But about 60% equations or 60% reactions are such that both oxidation and reduction take place together, and such a type of the reaction we can also keep in the category of redox reaction. It means in a redox reaction, oxidation and reduction, both of the reaction can be take place, and we can only recognize, we can only define that which is also oxidized and which is reduced, which one is also oxidation and which one is also reduction. Suppose cupric oxide, any copper oxide plus H2. So we can get copper plus H2O. Here, cupric oxide can remove oxygen and convert into copper. Other hands, hydrogen combines with oxygen and form water. It means cupric oxide, any copper oxide can be reduced, reduction take place, and hydrogen also can be take place oxidation. So not only this one, but a large example we can also give on the basis of a type of the reaction in which one oxidation can take place as well as reduction also can be take place. So together we can also have in the category of redox reaction. Such a type of the reaction can be also seen by the student only by seeing, by visualizing that either a negative radical is increasing or decreasing, or positive radical either increasing or decreasing, or combination of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, or combination of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. On this basis the student can differentiate which is also oxidation reaction and which one is reduction reaction, which is oxidized and which is reduced. And on the basis of the visualizing, the student practice again and again which is also the oxidation reaction and which one is reaction reaction, and together which one is redox reaction. So it means by giving so many examples, a student can also try again and again, and also they can also differentiate the oxidation, reduction, and redox reaction. Today is this one, and next class I will also teach you about the second chapter, um, acid, base, alkali or salt. So this chapter I will begin from beginning, and you will have to also watch, you have to also listen my speech, my teaching in your class. Thanks.